Hello my crochet friends, this is Sarah from Ned and Mimi, and in this video we are going to learn how to crochet the thicket stitch, or this is sometimes called the suzette stitch. Now this stitch pattern is super easy, so it's perfect for beginners, and it's also completely reversible, so it's great for scarves, blankets or washcloths like this one. Now I do have a free washcloth pattern to accompany this video, and that's available on my website nedandmimi.com, and that is linked below. Now before I get started, I do want to tell you that this particular dishcloth is part of a set of 3 coordinating patterns that you can also find linked below, and each pattern is completely unique, but together they do complement each other beautifully. Now if you are making a dishcloth, you will need a worsted weight cotton yarn and a 5.5mm or letter I crochet hook. But of course, if you want to make anything else using this stitch pattern, you can use any yarn and a suitable hook. Okay, so let's get started. So we are going to begin with a slip knot, and for this stitch pattern you can chain any even number. So I am going to chain 14. Okay, so there's my starting chain. Now, usually when I'm working into my chain, I like to just flip it over and work into these back bumps here. Let's just have a look at them. So the back of the chain. And I just find that by working into these bumps, it gives a lovely neat edge. So that's what I like to do. All right, so we are going to start with a single crochet. So we're going to skip the first chain from the hook and then insert our hook into the back bump of the second chain and just work a simple single crochet, and that skipped chain there does not count as a stitch. Now our next stitch is a double crochet, and we're actually going to work into the exact same chain that we just worked into there for the single crochet. So we yarn over, insert our hook into that first chain again, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops and complete the stitch. So now we're going to skip the next chain and we're going to work 2 stitches into the next one. So we're going to do first a single crochet. So just insert our hook, yarn over and pull up a loop and complete the single crochet. And now we're going to do our double crochet into the exact same chain. Like so. And now we just need to continue repeating that stitch pattern all the way along. So we'll skip a chain and then do a single crochet and a double crochet in the next. And now we have 2 chains left, so we're going to skip the next one and then just simply do a single crochet in the back bump of that last chain to finish off the row. And there we go, that is the first row done. So let's go straight into row 2 now. So we will chain 1 and turn, and that chain does not count as a stitch. Now I'm going to single crochet in the first stitch and also double crochet in the first stitch, and then I just need to continue repeating that pattern from the first row all the way along. So we'll skip a stitch and then do a single crochet and a double in the same stitch, skip the next stitch, single crochet and double in the next one. And now we just have 2 stitches left to work into, so we're going to skip the second last one and then do a single crochet in the last. And that is everything you need to know to work this stitch pattern. So now all we need to do is repeat row 2 for as long as we want to, and the end result will be this simple textured dishcloth. And you can also see here that I have added a simple single crochet border all around the edge for a nice neat finishing touch. I really hope you have enjoyed learning this stitch pattern, and if you do have a second to subscribe, that would be absolutely amazing. I have lots more tutorials and patterns on my channel and website knitedmimi.com, so do check those out. Happy crocheting and take care.